Okay guys, that's enough of recording. Bye bye, JBL.
Oh, my back. Oh, I'm so sweaty. I need to change. Oh, okay. Guys,
This is gonna be so funny, bro.
my channel name is actually Holly Fruits, so you can check it out right now.
Oh my god, he's right there. Okay, I can do it.
Yeah, I make videos every Saturday and Friday.
This is gonna be so funny, bro. Oh my god, he's gonna get blown up. Oh my god.
Oh, nice and clean now. Gonna go meet up with Otto. Okay, but Otto, I know you're trying to blow me up. Let's just record a video. Come on. Bruh, are you kidding me? Whatever. Such a party pooper anyway. Alright, let's just go record the video.
What's up guys? In today's video, we are going to ask people what sound of item, like if we ask them, what does the sound of a rocket make? And they go like, meow. And I have to edit it while using a rocket. So we're going to start off with Jay actually. Jay, what does a grappler noise make? Okay. Alright, add it to me. I am going to put this in. So there's your example. So we're going to ask people, like, what sound does a snowboard make? Like, it's quite quiet, I guess. It's gonna be like shh, like that. I'm going to edit it in, like I said. Like, what sound does, I don't know, a UFO make? Like, so it's gonna be quite cool. We're going to ask random people in random lobbies. It's gonna be quite flipping out awesome. And yeah, alright. Let's get into it.
Check in on it! That's why you should stay on this video!
Hell
Don't
yeah.
you dare click off!
Yeah, do not click off. Grab some popcorn as well. Max isn't here today. I'm really sorry about it. Alright.
It's very, very sorry.
Yeah, very sorry. Let's get into it! Hell yeah! Subscribe as well. Yeah.
Subscribe!
Yeah, subscribe.
Okay, yeah, just subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Jay, you would join me on the friends, won't you?
Yeah.
Alright, bye Jay. See you in
Bye.
10 seconds.
Bye.
Okay, so we're joining the lobby. We're going to ask other people. So, like, hopefully they don't take the mickey out of me. Like saying, what sound does a rocket make? Like I said. And then you'll be like,
Guys, can anyone get me 2 pieces of goo?
like that, I don't know. So, whatever.
Can anyone get me 2 pieces of goo?
You're going...
Wait, let me get my milk.
Make Jay join me.
No.
Hopefully joins.
Everything.
This guy.
Can I?
Hey,
Yo, Wolf Guy, can you get me 1 piece of goo?
yeah, if you answer my question. Will you answer my question if I get you a piece of goo?
Wait, what's your
Question.
Yellow.
What sound does a ski make?
I can't hear you. My friend in the call's just yapping. What do you say?
What
don't
sound does a
think-
rocket make?
Oh my god, you doing that?
I gotta.
Wait, you mean a rocket launcher?
No, a rocket, just a normal rocket, jetpack.
Wait, the like. Oh, okay. Wait, tell me your channel and sure.
The Otto J and Maximus VR.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. You can have your piece of goo now.
I can't wait to see this, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm doing a series of it. I'm doing like a long form, so it'll be quite sick.
Nice.
Alright,
Yo, Gio, you know that thing where there's people say,
alright.
what sound
Let's
does
use
this
some
make?
rockets, I guess.
This mode is to like drag stuff.
you. What does the sound of an RPG make?
Like,
Thank you so much. Get me.
no,
What sound does- what
let's
sound
run
does a
the
friend
I'm so
launcher make?
angry right now. I could eat a horse.
A what? A what?
Friend launcher.
In this code that doesn't stink.
Around town, not a game. Why are you playing?
Yeah, I just waste my whole day.
Pagoon.
Alright, thank you.
Is this supposed
Ready?
to be my whole day?
Pagoon.
Oh yeah. You get on. You get on.
Right.
Pagoon.
Hey. Oh, that wasn't as far. Hell yeah. Now Jay's turn.
Do with the Wolverine claw. What's your thing?
Hey you, White.
I have
it back.
White.
You-
What does
You wanna
a,
trade?
What does a
Alright,
what
wanna
does a
trade?
revolver sound like?
Yo, you're trying to
Guys,
steal.
No, me. Okay.
Left, blue,
Right guys, my turn. We might have to join a different lobby soon.
What? Yo, I'm not even lying.
Hey Blue. What sound does a UFO make? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm speechless. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. We just want to say, when we hit 200 subscribers, we are uploading the video of how we started our YouTube channel. Also, in 2 days, our YouTube channel will be our 1 year anniversary. So please subscribe so we can upload the video of how we started our channel. And yeah, thanks. Oh wait, Jay?